Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got 2 more days worth of Posh sales. Let's see how much I made. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so we have got my sales for the next 2 days on Poshmark. We did pretty good, and so I'm going to show you everything, tell you what I sold, and then I'll give you my earnings, all right? So this one right here is I've got some skinny pull-on ribbed denim Jennings. It's a 3-pack that I got out of a bulk box. This whole set I paid $2 for. My earnings were $20.60. Some of you have been asking what's the difference between earnings and sales. They actually sold for $28, and I believe that I sent them an offer. So $20.60 minus the $2 that I spent, so $18.60 is what I earned on that one. And then my next item that I sold is this lovely hat that I was wearing in one of my videos. It's actually I've got some for sale on Amazon, but this was the last one I had in stock here. So if you want some more, let me know. This one I sold and earned $10.05. I actually paid $4 for that one, so $6.05 is my earnings there. And then let's see, my next item I have is a pair of cute black universal thread sandals, size 10. They're backwards, but they're a crossband slide sandal. I got those for $2 out of a bulk box, earned $5.25, so $3.25 are my earnings on those pair of shoes. Then my next item that I have is a bundle. Let me see where my bundle is. Okay, so it ends up being this swimsuit top along with this tank top along with these really cute shoes right here. And so all of those, let me see, these are both Goodwill outlets, and so those were both 50 cents a piece, plus the shoes for $1, and so $2 is what I have invested there. $14.40 is what I earned, so $12.40 on that bundle. I usually make my best incomes on bundles. Let me see. There's a pair of women's high-rise skinny utility crop jeans. They're green ones. I got those from a bulk box for $2. $5.05 is what I earned, so $3.05 is what my in-pocket price is. And then I've got this CJ Banks top. I actually got this one from my mother-in-law, and so I will be, so it didn't cost me anything, and so I will be giving her $6.25. And then I have another one, a blue one, same style, a Christopher & Banks 1X trimmed $6.25 again. And that's, of course, from her again. So that's the earnings. And then I've got these Harrison Miles boots. They are a zipper kind of combat boot style, size 13. That's a big foot. These were $4 out of a bulk box. I earned $15.20, which puts me at $11.20. I'm adding all these numbers up on my whiteboard so that you can kind of see live as I go along exactly what I'm earning, and you know exactly kind of where I'm at for 2 days worth of sales. Remember, 2 days worth of sales. I've got this cute little visor, women's visor. I got that for $1 out of a bulk box. $2.05 is what I earned, so $1.05 is where I'm at on my in-pocket expenses there. This cute little purse I paid $7.50 for. My earnings were $9.25, and so $9.25 minus $7.50, $7.50, $8.50, $9.50. All right, $1.75 is what I earned on that purse. And I've had those on there for a while, so I was okay with selling it at that price point. Okay, then I've got a Mason Jewels cold shoulder cocktail dress. I got this out of a bulk box for $2, earned $10.20, so $8.20 is my in-pocket money. And then I have my cute sandals I've got here. These were $2 out of a bulk liquidation box. Earned $3.05, so $1.05 is my earnings after I pay myself back what I cost for the product. Then I've got a Soma 40D no-show minimizer hook bra. That was, I believe, a Goodwill outlet or Savers Buy. Goodwill outlet. 50 cents, $6.25 is what I earned, so $5.75. Thank you for being my memory, Mr. Cameraman. This one came out of a bulk box, $4. It's a huge 4XL, cozy, new with tags, Maxell fleece, Sherpa lined coat. Really nice. So it was $4 and $16 is what I earned. So $12 exactly is what I get to pocket on that one. Then I've got a really cute, where's it at? Hiding under this one. A white Max Tulio London off-white floral cocktail dress. This was, I believe, a Goodwill outlet for 50 cents. $7.25 is what I earned. $6.75 is what I get to pocket. So, I mean, we're definitely having not as many items sold, but we're definitely got some good dollar amounts up here. A modern fit Rosso Milano, Italy, new with tags, 18.5 shirt. I got this one out of a bulk box for $2. $25.60 is what I made on that. So $23.60 are my in-pocket earnings. And then I've got a pair of really cute shoes here. These are cool. I need to show you these because I just think they're cool looking. Another pair of size 13s, but look at those. Aren't those awesome? I just think they're the coolest shoes ever. Never been worn, wooden bottom on them. I don't know with this wooden bottom if you actually, I guess it's rubber. It looks wooden, but it is rubber now that I touch it. I don't know anything about shoes except for that they sell well. And so I got these for $4. $16 is what I earned on that one. So $12 were my in-pocket profits. And then I've got a pair of really cute sandals. They look like this. These actually were used, but they sold really, really well. And so I got these for 50 cents. $1.25 is my earnings. So 75 cents is what I made on those. I've had them on there for quite some time. And then I've got new in package 5-pack of boxers, 3XL. I got those, I believe, at a Goodwill outlet. They were still brand new in package. 50 cents, $6.25 is what I earned. So $5.75 are my in-pocket profit. And then I've got this blue bathing suit. It's February 16th. And I just sold a bathing suit because people still go on vacation and still live in warm climates. So that was a Goodwill outlet buy for 50 cents. Goodwill outlet is different from the Goodwill stores. Goodwill outlet are generally in big cities, and they're everything that doesn't sell at a regular Goodwill goes to a Goodwill outlet. You buy things by the pound. So that's how I can get it for 50 cents. 50 cents, $8.25 is what I earned. So $7.75 is where I'm at for money on that one. And then I've got this 34C women's light lift bikini top. I made, this one was this one's new with tags. I got this one out of a bulk box for $1, earned $1.05. So I legitimately made 5 cents on that. That one's the winner of the day, 5 cents. Going once, going twice, 5 cents is what I earned. All right, this one is a bundle. These two items came out of a bulk box, and so I'm going to say that $2 is what I spent on it, which is, I believe, what it was. $2 for both of those, so $1 a piece. I earned $11.05, so $9.05 is where I'm at for that. So I will add up the totals here and get right back with you with how many things I sold and how much I earned for 2 days worth of sales on Poshmark. Okay, so I've got everything added up for you, and in 2 days worth of sales, you have to remember it's just 2 days, I made $162.55 off of 22 items. And I want to remind you guys, 2 days is all it took. Let's say you're doing a weekend yard sale and you take everything that you want to sell and throw it into a yard sale. Wouldn't you be ecstatic if you made $162.55 out of $162.55 off of 2 days worth at a yard sale? Now tell me, when you go to a yard sale, 162.55 divided by 22 items, on average, that means each item sold for $7.39. Can you sell something for $7.39 at a yard sale? Not usually. And so remember, this is only 2 days worth of sales. You had lots of 2-day sales of $162.55, and you're making a really good living in 1 week. And so be encouraged. This is also the number after I paid myself back what I spent on the item. So it was total profit. And so be encouraged. You can make money on Poshmark, and hopefully this has been helpful and you've seen what I've been able to sell and at what prices that I get to actually earn on Poshmark 2-day sales. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.